Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this tutorial. Today we are going to learn about MikroTik configuration, starting from router reset, DHCP server setup, static IP, ARP configuration, up to internet gateway. Later, we will also continue with advanced features such as hotspot, QoS, and firewall filtering. Let's start to let's start step by step so you can follow along easily. First step is you can uh, click the Winbox. You can log in. You must log in to Winbox. And first, we reset the router with no default configuration and without backup. You can click System and you can click Reset Configuration and you can click no default configuration and do not backup. You can reset configuration. Yes. Wait until the end and now the router or the MikroTik it has been reset. Uh, uh, Sorry to be late because trouble and will be the refresh. I'm sorry, we exit Winbox. Now you can connect with MAC address and oh, sorry guys. Nice. And we insert in the MikroTik in MikroTik. Sorry. And then next we set the host name to RBTRKG. And you can click secret system and identity and you can put the name up to you RBTRKG and you can apply and OK. And then we add IP address. Uh, Add IP address, and then uh, you put the IP address, your IP address as you want, and don't forget to slash 24 or other. Uh, but I will be slash 24, and then because I in enter 2 interface 2 I will interface in enter 2 and then apply and okay. After that, we configure DHCP server, or you can click IP and DHCP server, and then you can click the DHCP and you can click add. Oh no, I'm sorry. You can click the DHCP setup in interface. You can click the editor tool. Next, next, and then servers. We will make we will make the 8.8, and next, and successfully, and uh, and then make sure the laptop is set to DHCP mode. You can uh, to make the laptop always get the same IP. We add a static list from IP. You can click list, and then add uh, your IP address, and the server on DHCP1, and like or no, uh, you put you must put the MAC address the or I'm sorry this or the client is the phone sorry I'm sorry guys, because any trouble, and uh, we must to I'm sorry to any trouble. Ah, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry because any trouble, and then we uh, I'm sorry guys, because any trouble. Uh, my video not move, and then we go to the next step, and here we got to the leases, and you can click here. You can click make static, and it is automatically, uh, and then you click to click, and you can change the address up to you. I will 1 2 3, and you can apply and okay, and you can check in the command prompt. You can IP config and IP config not yet, not don't change, but you can click, you can write IP config and space C and slice renew and enter, and wait until the end, and then my IP is uh, successfully to change, and then uh, now we also add a static ARP entry, ARP, and then here the IP address all, and we are to remove, and we click here, and you can click make static and click make static, and then uh, here change to the C, and then we got to we finally we connect the router to the internet using Ether one as one. We enable the HTTP client on Ether one and not mask wire. You can click wireless, and here to enable wireless, and you can click security profile, and you can add the name up to you, and I will make with name lab 7 and dynamic key WPA-PS key WPA2PS key, and then input your Wi-Fi or your hotspot. uh, my password Wi-Fi here, and then you can apply and okay, and then you can click Wi-Fi interface again, and wireless LAN you can click to, and then you can change the security profile as you make like 7, and then you can scan wireless LAN and start. Find your Wi-Fi, and my Wi-Fi is his name is Mark Salmon, and we can connect here and apply and okay, wait until uh, R or running. I'm sorry, I will check my video. Oh, I'm sorry guys because my video is error. I'm sorry. I will fix here. I'm sorry guys. Wah, sorry. I'm sorry guys because any trouble and we can next the step. I'm sorry. And then it's running and you can click IP, you can click the DHCP client, and then you can add wireless LAN and apply. You can OK, click OK. Wait until the IP address is fine and status is born. And then we are going to the firewall, and in firewall is you can click the NAT, and then you can add the chain. Nah, the HTTP client is bound. Yeah, his status is bound and IP address uh, here, and then uh, firewall NAT. You can change SASE NAT, and in out interface is wireless LAN, and in action must query it and apply and OK. And then wait, nah, we got to the internet, and then I will next and I will continue to lab 2. uh, in the lab 2 uh, I'm sorry guys, my video. I'm so sorry guys because any trouble and I will and I must to fix him, and uh, we next to the step lab 2, and we make the hotspot. Next, let's continue to lab 2 where we configure advanced features. First, we set up hotspot on Ether 2 using the command. I'm sorry because I will set up Ether 2. I will change the Ether 2 to Ether 3. Wait, and then okay, okay. The setting has been uh, we wait until okay. because I use the interface 3 Ether 3 is the DHCP server Ether 2 and make the red and here and now uh, we got to the IP and then you can click the hotspot and then to server you can hotspot click hotspot setup uh, change the hotspot interface is ether 2 next next non next next and then then as name is mainnet. I will make the name is mainnet and then admin name local is Salman and password of for the user is admin 123. Next, successfully, and then uh, you can click the server host for server profile. You can click here and you can change the name. I will make the name Wi-Fi one and then red we change the red limit. Uh, we change to 7 Mbps or 7 M slice 7 M and then we apply and okay uh, and then uh, because uh, you can click the firewall in IP and click firewall because we will be drop the YouTube. We can you can click the layer 7 protocol and then add uh, name is up to you. I will make to YouTube the name and reject fee is you can uh, follow me or later I will uh, drop I will give you the text and com dot and yeah, you can apply and okay. I'm sorry guys. Wah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry guys. I'm so sorry because my OBS is any trouble, and well, we and I must be fix him. Uh, and I'm sorry because and then we next to the step you can click the filter rules and add you can uh, click the general chain is forward, and then protocol is TCP, and the STP port is 80 dot 443, and in interface one wireless LAN, and in action is drop and apply and okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Uh, in in advance, you can click the layer 7 protocol is YouTube and apply and okay. And then uh, I'm sorry, because any trouble, I let to explain to you, and then uh, you can we can uh, we will be check uh, now we exit, and then we will to change ether 3 to ether 2. Bismillah. Yes, and here the hotspot. Uh, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Ya Allah. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry guys. I uh don't I don't I forget to I don't know to uh my OBS why the OBS is uh my video is patah. I'm sorry. And then we will continue the tutorial, and username my username is Salman, and then my password is admin 123 and connect. Yes, here we can finally we can use the hotspot to the uh, internet, and you can face the microtic.com microtik.com and enter nah can, and uh lah just now we block the YouTube, we check the YouTube, and then we will yes the microtik is running, the internet is running. Astagfirullah. Sorry guys. I'm sorry guys. Because uh any trouble. I don't know. I don't know. And then we next to uh the tutorial. Uh, I uh can to login the YouTube. And then uh we we must to setting the YouTube for hour in Winbox. You will log into Winbox and connect. Sorry. Uh, and you can click the IP and firewall. Okay, guys. I'm sorry because late and we are going to the last step. I will I will change the role in open YouTube for work hour jam kerja. Uh, can click IP and you can click the firewall and then you can click the uh, here your setting and extra and the time is will setting the time is uh 8 o'clock and 17. Wow. And Sunday and Saturday. Mm, and apply and okay. And then uh we because because uh uh not work hour 8 o'clock uh, until 5 o'clock em AVM, we must to check the YouTube.com. Yes, the YouTube can we open, and we uh, go to the speed test or fastcom fast.com, and we start the internet speed test, and the internet speed is 6.7 Mbps. Here, because I set it, I'm setting in 7 Mbps, and that's all from me. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching and listening. Uh, I'm sorry because any trouble in my video. Uh, uh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. And thank you very much. And see you in the next video. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.